In this video, we're going to discuss logging into the phone portal to configure both BLF keys and the local phone book. The first thing we're going to want to do is go to the phone that we want to program, enter the menu, go to Status, which is usually option 2, and then Network Status, and then look down to the third option that says IPv4 address. That address is going to be what you'll use to type into your web browser on your computer to complete the actual programming. In our case, our address that we're going to enter is 10.1.1.226. We are now going to log into the phone. The username is user and the password is 123. Either press enter or click on login after entering the password. To program the BLF keys, go under Settings, Programmable Keys, Programmable Keys. Depending on the phone you have, you'll have up to 24 BLF keys or sidecars that can be programmed with 40 BLF keys each. In our case, we're working on a Grandstream GXP 2160, so we have 24 BLF keys that we can program. What we want to do is specify the description, which is for our own internal benefit, and then the value that when the key is pressed we want to go to. BLF keys can also be speed dials, so a key can be used to call somebody who may be called frequently, such as a customer, vendor, or employee cell phone. In our case, we're going to use the first couple keys for BLFs, and then we'll program a speed dial down lower. Since the 2160 doesn't have a digital readout, the description is purely for informational purposes only and doesn't serve any purpose. In the event you're programming a phone with a sidecar such as a GXP 2140, the description will be what shows up on the digital display of the sidecar. We're going to program some extensions here. We're going to say this is Joe, we're going to say this one is Bob, and this one is Mary, and they're all BLF keys. Then we're going to program a speed dial using the full 11 digits of where we want to program to. You can mix and match speed dials and BLF keys any way you like. Additionally, BLFs can be programmed for day-night mode at extension 625, or parking lots, which are discussed in a previous video, to display in green or red when a parking lot has somebody connected to it. When you're done making the changes to the BLFs, click Save and Apply. With no delay, your BLFs should automatically light up for the extensions that are programmed. Additionally, we have the ability to program the phone book. If we go under Phone Book and Contacts, we could specify entries that can be added to the phone for quick reference later on. So in this case, we're going to program in Joe Smith, and we're going to put Joe's phone number in, and we're going to click on Save. Now in the phone, we'll be able to choose Joe Smith, and we'll be able to dial him directly. It is considerably faster changing speed dials, BLFs, and phone book entries from the website instead of from the phone.